Hey guys, I want you all to check out this cool place here in Lexington. It's called LEXRAGE. I actually found out about it a couple months ago. I posted wanting to donate some computer monitors and get rid of them, and Mom's cousin Connie Mealy tagged them and said to bring them here and you get to smash stuff. So we brought another TV over here tonight, so I want to show you. I'm going to flip around here and show you this place, and I'm going to let Spencer. You're one of the owners?
Hi, Connie. Yes, I am one of the owners of LEXRAGE.
Okay, tell everybody about this place, and then I'm going to take you all around and kind of show you what's going on here. So.
Well, we've been open about a month. LEXRAGE, the rage is in the name, right? For our rage rooms, but it's not just about rage, it's about just whatever you have to get off your chest. Maybe it's celebration, maybe it's grief, maybe you just have a best friend that you need to have a goofy, silly moment with, and you've never been able to come in and just break some shit before. We got you. We're going to provide a safe space for you to do that. We have so many things that you'll get to buy in from our packages, from electronics like monitors and TVs.
This TV right here was from my father-in-law. It's been in the back of Dean's truck for several days now.
And
so.
I'm 6
Hubby.
foot. I'm 6'4", so
yeah.
This is like I'm super outside. But all of our packages include glassware, wine glasses, liquor bottles, old mugs, painted wine glasses. You get a variety of objects to enhance the experience. We insist that everyone rage to their own beat, so you can plug in your phone and have your own playlist going.
That's cool.
You check out, and when you're done, you just make sure you're taken care of. Come check us out, LEXRAGE.com.
And it's located in Eastland Shopping Center. And so if people have glassware and things to donate, you'll take it?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Our hours are on our website. We take donations whenever we're open to the public.
Well, I think I checked in on the page, but if not, I'll put it in the post. Now I'm going to show you. Look, they have axe throwing, which I've been wanting to do forever, so I'll be coming to do that. And someone was just in here, he said, not long ago, raging, so you can see the aftermath of there. I cannot wait to come smash shit. Dean, you gonna come smash some stuff?
Yes, I will.
Look, he's excited. So.
Hello.
And these are just all the little different rooms. Anyway, I just wanted to show you all this place. Mary Elizabeth, go back and watch it, but you can come here and smash stuff. Connie Lou told me about this place. You can see where everybody's come in, and oh my gosh, I can't wait to do this. So it's called LEXRAGE. LEXRAGE, it's in Eastland Shopping Center, like right behind the tire store. I don't know, you'll see it on the side. Right, yeah, right behind Ken Towery's Auto. So you all come check it out.